Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to order grocery delivery using DoorDash. If you don't have a DoorDash account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $5 off of your first order. We will also put links in the description below for similar food delivery apps for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. To sign in, enter your email address on the field provided. Then click on the button that says Continue to sign in. Next, you could choose to receive a one-time code to the phone number associated to your account. But if you wish to use a password, click on Use Password instead. Then enter your password. And click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for orders. Click on Orders. Now, you will see the list of in progress and completed orders. To proceed, click on the View Order button beside the in progress order you wish to track. And now you will be able to view the progress of your order. That's how you track your grocery delivery order from DoorDash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.